A self-watering device easily obtained online, is it good or not? I used okra seeds for this experiment and I put 3 in each pot. The one on the left, which is one with the watering device, and on the right is the control pot for reference purpose. As this device is made of glass, the top is pretty heavy considering that it has contained 100 ml of water, and what happened here is that it toppled over. The second problem was the soil particles being left in the inside and difficult to remove. Here's one thing to avoid. Holding it at an angle allows air to enter and water to bubble out. Instead, plug the end of the tip with your finger and allow the water to stop bubbling before you insert it into the soil. This is when it's ready to be inserted. In the control pot, I put in 25 ml of water daily. By day 2, the water level has already dropped significantly, and this is possibly because I placed it on its side. With the device being straightened up, the rate of water being dispensed has slowed down. With the device being inserted straight down to the bottom of the pot, the top layer of the soil remains dry and therefore the extra water was being added. In the control pot, there doesn't seem to be any problem for the seeds to sprout. The extra water added the day before seemed to be a crucial factor for the germination of the seed in this pot. The device was then refilled on day 6. This time I put it straight in, but you could see that soil particles were still bubbling upwards into it. No watering was done on day 7 because it rained the night before. The rate of water being dispensed has also stabilized, as you can see here. Compared to my first use, this time the water being dispensed out of the device has significantly slowed down. At the end of 10 days, there isn't much difference between the two pots because both pots have 2 seedlings, and their seedlings have both grown 2 leaves each, and they've grown to be about the same height. Well, I must say this device really looks great, but functionality-wise is still a question. But I would say definitely it's useful for those who tend to forget to water their plants.